We run two publications, Gear Technology Magazine and Power Transmission Engineering. Gear Technology covers all of gear manufacturing. Power Transmission Engineering covers end user products like bearings, motors, gear drives, all the mechanical power transmission components. I was very, very impressed because it's interesting to see a product from the design phase all the way to the end phase, especially in an EV application, because they're smaller, you need less noise. There's all kinds of opportunities for making everything a little bit tighter, and it's interesting to see each path on the way to the end product. Our readers would be interested to learn that these are things that they can do in software now in the planning phase before they even get to the product design. They can see what they can do with the new gears and the bearings and how they will work into the whole process. And it's fascinating seeing all the software mixed with the mechanical power transmission components is pretty incredible. It was amazing to hear how quickly they made the part, and it made it less weight and less material. And the digital simulation was, again, one of those aspects where you can see everything and what's happening on the software side to watch everything from the initial design to the end product and see how it all came together at the end. There's always something new and exciting and innovative with the latest Siemens technology.